Alright, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video. I have been pretty busy with school, which is why it's been 5 days since my last upload, but I'm going to quickly push out this video and try to get some more content for you guys. If you guys do enjoy watching these videos, keep supporting the channel, subscribe if you haven't, maybe hit the like button. It really keeps me motivated to keep uploading even though school is really picking up in pace. And one other thing before we hop into the video, I want to talk about what happened last week, because from my last upload, I showed you how I made $604 trading pullbacks between Monday and Wednesday. Now, Thursday, what ended up happening is there was a stock that did present a little bit of opportunity, but I didn't capitalize on it properly, and I was only up $30. And then I ended up being unsatisfied with that because I wanted to continue hitting my $100 a day goal. And I ended up trading stocks that didn't really fit my criteria. And I ended up ending the day like around $30 in the red. I'll post it on the screen so you can see. And then the same thing happened Friday, except this time there was no opportunity in the small cap market. And when there wasn't opportunity, what did I do? I went and traded mid to small cap stocks. And this is a mistake that I've made a couple times where I will be bored and I'll go trade stocks that don't fit my criteria, but this is the end. If I ever trade a mid to large cap stock again because there is a lack of opportunity in the small cap market, I don't know what I'll do, but I'll give myself some sort of punishment, like giving away a certain amount of money to a random viewer or something like that. So to keep myself from making mistakes like that again, I'm going to put it out publicly that there will be a punishment the next time I do that, because it's just stupid. So I had a red day on both Thursday and Friday. It wasn't that big of a deal because we still ended that week up around like $400. I don't know the exact amount, but it was like 400 something dollars. And now we're up in this week, and I'm going to be posting the exact numbers on this screen so you guys know. But yesterday was Monday, and I think I ended the day with $110.90 profit. And then today I ended with like $102 profit. So we're on like a very good start to the week. And I think we're on pace to hit my $500 a week goal. Definitely going to be getting myself some Chipotle tonight as a reward. Plus, I have a test. And I know this is a little bit of a longer intro, so I apologize for that. I hope you guys don't mind that there's an intro into the content. And one last thing before we hop into the trades, I am going to be posting my Webull referral into the description at the very, very top. And what you can do is you can sign up with Webull using my link, and you can deposit $100. And if you do that, then you and I both get 2 free stocks, which I thought is pretty cool. So I'm going to try it out, and if people use the link, I'll probably keep it. But if people aren't interested, then I'll probably remove it. But it's just a way for you guys to support me and also benefit yourself for free. Just deposit $100, you get stocks, and then you can withdraw all the money. And with that being said, after this long 3-minute intro, let's hop into the video. So for this video, we're going to be reviewing my trades from this previous Monday. And you can see on the left that I was up $36 on my first trade of the day, but on the right, CCNC had just resumed from a halt, and it looked like it was going to be pretty strong. So at this point, I was looking to play a micro pullback because I'm trying to become more aggressive right out of the open. And I saw that it kind of climbed up to 383 on the bid, and I was looking for an extreme move down on the bid, which is what ends up happening. And you can see it kind of falls down to 360, where it looks like it might have been showing some support, but if I looked at the chart, I would have known that that was absolutely a horrible read. But I was so focused on the bid, I didn't really see that in my peripherals, and the result was I got punished by a $154 loss. And if you guys are familiar with my trading, you'll know that the beginning of the day or my first couple trades of the day really sets the mood and the tone. So having such a big loss right out of the morning really did hurt my mental a little bit, but I did finish the day with $110 profit. So at the end, I can just look back and at least be happy that this didn't ruin the day. But the lesson that I learned from this is that in the morning, it's better to just scale down, even if there are some really beautiful opportunities that you might not be able to fully capitalize on. And the reason why is because having this loss be $25 instead of $154 if I had only taken 100 shares would have been so much better. Instead of my day being $110 green, I could have been over $200 in the green just by simply exercising caution out of market open. And that's something that I'm going to continue doing, and you'll see that I'll be doing in the future, is exercising a lot of caution at market open so that I can not dig myself a hole while I'm not in the zone, because you know, it takes a little bit of time to warm up. And I very briefly want to interject that I only have about an hour and 30 minutes before I need to upload this video, so I'm going to try to include as many clips as I can, but I don't know how many that will be, so we're going to try to speed run it. Anyways, the next trade we're going to be looking at is on KXIN, and it was forming a bull flag at $5, and I didn't want to play the breakout because to me, playing breakouts is very risky because it could false break. Anyway, it breaks through, and I looked for a micro pullback, and you can see that, bam, it hit 530, which is a high. It jumped down from 530 all the way down to 505 in like a brief second, guys, like way too extreme. That's a 25-cent jump in literally a second. So that was just a reaction time thing and me staring at the bid, where I just bought that micro pullback at 505. I sold at 509 for a $25 profit. And this is kind of the theme behind a lot of my trades, is I take these very high accuracy trades, and just these $25 winners add up very, very quickly. And this is going to be the last segment of our video, but it's a good one because it includes both of the type of pullbacks that I trade, which is the micro pullback and the extreme pullback. So let's get started with this clip and let's pay attention to what's happening. So right now I'm looking for a micro pullback because we just set a new high at 6.5, and pay attention to the bid. It flushes all the way down to 622, which we don't end up getting our fill, which is okay. And I'm going to make sure I have the bid open for you guys enlarged so you can see what happened. But it decreased significantly very quick. And at this point, we're starting to expect a flush because it's kind of sitting around this area. The candle's about to end. So we're thinking this next candle is going to be a flush. And we think it's going to go all the way down to 6. So right here it's offering us 620, but we're not going to bite because we know it's going to go lower. So we're watching the level 2, and we can see that the bid is getting flashed 628 and 621, but now it's starting to get below. It showed 620 there instead of 620. We see 602, we enter on the bid. We don't get filled the first time, so we go to try to cancel it. And then luckily, it comes back down to 602 for a second time, and we get our fill. So we entered at 602 and sold at 611 with 300 shares for a $27 profit, which was a very good trade for us. I was a bit scared because we didn't get filled on the first time it came down, and generally you don't want to be holding, or like you don't want to try to take it the second time. You only want to take it the first time. And we missed the first time because we didn't get our fill, but luckily we got it the second time and it worked out for a nice, like almost $30 profit. That's it for me, guys. I am going to go take my test and then get myself some Chipotle and relax for the rest of the night. If you guys enjoy these videos, make sure to hit the like button because that lets me know you want to see some more content. And when I see a lot of likes, I'm like, damn, I gotta go make some more videos. So click the like button, subscribe, do all that stuff. Maybe check out Weeble if you want to get some free money. And yeah, if you haven't watched the other videos I've uploaded about live trading, go check those out too. I've probably spent more time on those videos than this one, although I think that just is because I'm getting better at creating videos, which is a really cool thing. It's not taking me 7 hours or 6 hours to make a video, and instead it's only taking 2 or 3, which is a really, really cool improvement. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and supporting the content, and I'll see you all in the next video.